everyone, welcome back. Today we are addressing weak glutes. So we will focus on glute, max, med, and min. So the whole glute complex. For cyclists, if you have weak glutes, you can feel it maybe in your low back. Also, you're losing power transfer to the pedals. You could be experiencing limited hip extension. You might become quad dominant as they take over and do most of the work because your glutes are lagging behind. You also might feel it in your hamstrings, and it could trickle up your back and into your neck as well. But if they're weak, you're going to need to take some time to restore that function and bring them up to speed. So we will be doing some glute bridges with a mini band. So if you have mini bands at home, if you don't, you can use a lightweight, slow RDLs, single leg, standing banded hip abductions. If you don't have a band, again, you can use a lightweight against your leg. And then we will finish with a stretch. The exercises need to be intentional and deliberate with every single rep. So let's get down on the floor and begin with the glute bridge banded or with a lightweight. Now, because the exercises are light today, we don't really need to do a warm-up. Just like when you go to physiotherapy for an injury, you get your exercises, high rep, lightweight, focusing on restoring muscular endurance in the areas. When you lift your hips up in this exercise, just tilt forward, tilt your tailbone under a little tiny bit so you're not dumping into your low back like that when you lift up. So we want to try to carry a neutral spine. Also, you can open up your knees a little bit to really get the glute med and glute min. We're going to do 2 sets of 20 reps. Get ready, set, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, it's just tiny movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My bum is just tapping the ground. 12, 13. I'm not resting. 14 in between each rep. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, take a rest. Just a little one. We're working on muscular endurance, so we don't have to take a big rest between. We want to make sure the muscle is working hard, right? Get set, get ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. Okay, get rid of that band. Now we're going to do the slow and controlled single leg Romanian deadlift RDLs. Because they are slow and controlled, we will do 8 reps per leg. We really want to zone in on slow, controlled movements, focusing on your stability, balance, all that kind of stuff. Use something to help balance you if you find you're unstable. Focus on that smoothing movement, keeping muscle engagement throughout the whole range. And if you're wobbly, you're going to lose it. It's going to come and go, come and go. I'm going to use a lightweight today. It's just an 8-pounder. We'll start with one leg, pick a leg, any leg. You want to spread your toes, put your foot down, have a nice neutral stance. Use something to help you balance. And we're going to hip hinge. So hinging just in the hip, not in the back. So not this. If you're going like this, and then you start rounding in the back, that's incorrect. 8 reps. Get ready. Here we go. 1, 2, stability. if your hamstrings are super tight, 3, you don't have to go this deep. Just go to what you can do. 4, and work at it over time. 5, because if you do this exercise consistently, 6, then your hamstrings will get stronger and more flexible. We have 2 more. Sorry, not 2 more. That's 1. That's done. I can't count. That's it. That's 8. Let's switch to the other side. Slow and controlled. Focus on standing tall on that hip. Neutral spine. Weight in front. Hinge. 1. I'm going to take my hand off this time. See how wobbly I am? 2. I'm going to put my hand back on so I can focus. 3. See, this is way better. Now I get more out of it. 4. Keep your neck and head in neutral position as well, so you're not dropping it when you bend forward. We have 3 more reps to go. Two more. Last one. Good job. Let's switch to the other side. Spread your toes. Stand tall on that hip. Neutral spine. Brace. Hinge. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. See, when you focus, you can really, really zone in on those muscles. Other side. Stand tall. Good foot positioning, even throughout. Here we go. 1. Neutral spine from tailbone to the top of the head. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Oops. Okay, 8 on each side, but if you want to do more, pause the video, do an extra round, extra reps. Make it yours. Next up is the standing banded hip abductions. If you do not have a band, you can take a weight when you do this, place it on the outside of the leg, and then you can lift out like that. If you have a band, put it on now. Oh, this one's going to be too heavy. So I have different bands that are different weights, and that one is not going to allow me to move my leg much. So you can put the band above your knee, stand tall, neutral pelvis, neutral spine, and we're going to lift the leg out to the side. We're going to do 10 reps. Get ready. 1, 2, you should be feeling that. 3, in the side butt. 4, 5, you're getting glute min, glute med here. 6, 7, and also the other leg is working. 8, 9, 10. I love this routine. So good. Switch to the other side. 1, 2. You can turn your foot out a little bit. 3, or in. 4, to get different areas. 5, I'm going to turn mine in a little bit. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll know what's weak because it'll feel hard. Other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this side is way worse. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For myself, I need to make this a daily routine. And it's so easy because I can do it in my pajamas, my jeans, whatever. Other side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sweet. Okay, that's it for that one. And now we're going to move on our final stretch. So on the floor, we're going to do the figure 4. That rhymes. Lay back, cross one ankle over the knee, and then pull towards you. If you can't do this, you can use a strap. Put it around this leg and then pull towards you if you're not able to reach. Now, I like to take my elbow and push it on my knee a little bit and also keep my foot flexed. Let's hold this for 3 big, deep, slow breaths. Switch sides. Ankle over knee. Then pull up. Grab behind the leg. Make it yours. Settle in. Flex your foot. Here we go. You want to hold your stretches for at least 20 seconds, but you can work up to longer holds over time. Alrighty. And that's it. That's the routine for today. So this should help you focus on restoring your strength in your glutes. If they're really weak and they're a problem area, glute med, glute min, the whole complex. It's a short routine. Let me know what exercises worked for you today. If you found this helpful, put it in the comments below. And if you're enjoying these routines, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also make sure you check out the other mobility workouts that I have on my channel. Some self-assessments you can do at home for ankles, hips, T-spine, and shoulders. So I'll drop the links in the description below so you can grab those as well. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this and you come back for more. See you later. Have a great day.